Panic gripped across Kashmir after heavy rainfall flooded the city since Saturday evening. The heavy rainfall resulted in increasing the water level of the summer capital, Srinagar, and created flood-like situation across the city. As per reports, the water level has increased in several parts of the city due to the failure of drainage system. There is prediction of more rain and snowfall at the upper reaches of the valley till April 4. Meanwhile, all government offices, schools and colleges have been instructed to remain closed till Monday.
इसमें जगह जगह पानी जमा हो रहा है, ड्रेनें भर के आई हैं, तो पानी हर जगह से हैं, लोगों को मुश्किलात हैं चलने में, और ऊपर से गाड़ियों का जो रश है उससे ज़्यादा ही मुश्किलात में लोग आ गए हैं। उससे लोगों में बहुत तशवीश है कि कहीं ऐसा ना हो जो 2014 की पोजीशन फिर हो, तो लोग डरे हुए हैं बहुत, कहीं फिर वही सिचुएशन ना आ जाए।
In September 2014, Jammu and Kashmir was hit by the worst flood in its history. At least 300 people were killed and thousands displaced as many residential houses, business establishments and other properties were damaged in the floods.